You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this number correctly. If you want to learn more counting in English, make sure to stay tuned. I got more videos for you coming up. I'll link to a few at the end of this video. So 6 and 7, it's pronounced as you have on your screen, 60, 60, not 16, all right? 60, stress on the first syllable, 60, 67. English pronunciation, both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. How to pronounce 67, 67. Easy once you know 67, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.